Hi everyone, and welcome back to our customer service top tip videos. If you're not quite familiar with this series or seen any of our videos so far, this is where our customer service team will be sharing lots of different information about the program and share useful account admin tips that we feel will really help you moving forward. So in today's short video, I'll be showing you the library area that is included in the Reading Egg subscription package. So, if you didn't know already, the library has over 3,000 levelled ebooks, offering a wide range of options for young readers all the way to experienced readers as well. Your child can choose from alphabet books, decodable readers, early chapter books, non-fiction, plays, poetry, and much, much more. Best of all, the Reading Eggs library is always expanding. So to access the library after logging into your account, you'll need to select the green stop button shown here on the family dashboard. Then you can select the library button here. You can also access the library directly from the Reading Eggs and Reading Express student dashboard. And this is what the library looks like. So you'll be able to select the book of the day with two books that are shown here, or you can select from different books from various categories around the room. So we have science, animals, space, art, ocean, fantasy, and much, much more. You'll also have the option to search for a book from the Find a Book option in the middle, which I'm going to select now. And this will then open up our little bookshelf here. So once on this page, you'll be able to browse for fiction and non-fiction books, select from different series, as well as find different authors as well. At the top, we have the Browse button, which brings you back to this home page. The search button here allows you and your child to search by typing in a particular book title or certain keywords that they are interested in to find the right book for them. And then we have the My Books button here, which allows your child to come back to books that they have previously saved as one of their favourites. Here is where you can filter by reading age as well as Lexile level, which is a really handy feature to have. So we're going to search for a book now, and I'm going to search for The Fox and the Stork, which is a really sweet book actually. And then when you search for the book, it will load in our bookshelf here that we can then select. If you want to first see the content of the book, you can click on the back button shown here and read the blurb and a little bit about the book. Here is where you can see some of the reviews left by other students and see how they have rated the book out of 5 stars. Your child can then see how many golden eggs they will earn if they pass the quiz at the end of the book. All the books in the Reading Express library have inbuilt comprehension questions. These quizzes ensure students understand what they are reading and will then reward them for answering a certain number of questions correctly. These completed quizzes provide valuable feedback on what your child is reading and actually comprehending. Down below here, you'll have certain information, like if the book is fiction or non-fiction, the reading age, and Lexile level. Some books will also show you the page and chapters as well. So if we want to head into the book, we just need to select this button shown here. At the top, you have the option to turn on or off the Read to Me option, and not all books will have this function, just the lower level ones. Your child can then either click on the page or select the arrows to get to the next page. Down below in the bottom right of the screen, you can change to full page mode, which will bring it a little bit larger. But to go back, you can simply click on the cross in the top corner shown here. On the right, we have the toolbar. The first icon will show the quiz questions, and the quiz will actually start once the child gets to the end of the book. The second icon on the toolbar, which is the love heart, gives your child the option to add this book to their private library shelf and mark it as their favourite that they can come back to later. The final toolbar option lets your child bookmark a certain page. The program will prompt the reader to open the bookmark the next time the child returns to this book. And here is where your child can leave a review and actually rate the book out of 5 stars on the left-hand side. To exit this section, you just need to get to the end of the book and then can select the next button shown here. You will then head back to the bookshelf that we saw earlier. And then to exit the library, you can select the home icon at the top here. And it's goodbye for now.